Welcome back, everybody.
Hi.
We are drawing so we are gonna draw Happy the croc.
Yes.
You good with that? You wanna move closer to me? You okay there?
Yeah.
Okay. So top of the page yet again. We are going to draw 2 circles. Just follow me. 1, 2.
Is that his glasses?
Yep, it's his glasses. Now try to make an outer shape around those glasses, like so. We've got 2. Yep. And now we're going to draw a little arm coming out. Oops, my page moved. And on the other side as well. Little arm coming out. So it looks like specs. Looks like glasses. We can draw 2 pupils in there. Now our character has eyes. So that's Happy's eyes and his spectacles. Okay, so now he's a very simple shaped character. So he's just a big 7, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So we're gonna draw a line up until there, but continue behind him, and we draw a long line that way. Yep.
Got it.
Bring this line down. Leave a little space there. And we bring the line down again, and then back this way till about there.
Yeah.
Till the glasses start. Okay. So now we bring this line down till about there. Nice and long. And another one down. Just bring them equal in length. So now you can see we have our 7 shape. It looks like a 7. Okay, put it like that. But now remember this gap we left here? We are going to
Make a mouse.
make a mouth. So we add a smile. And you mimic it and go back on it, yeah. Oh, you went ahead of me again. You keep going ahead of me. And that's my smile. Okay, so we basically have Duggee's glasses and his mouth, and let's put some, add some nostrils. He's just got 2
Not.
black circles, so we can color that in with a marker, and that's his nostrils. He does look like a little croc already. And now before we continue, we're going to ask everybody to please
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. So please click that like button and also subscribe to the channel. And here we continue. Here we go. Drawing a line almost all the way, and I stop.
Yeah.
Then I leave a little space, and I just finish up that line there. And now look at this. Just do that. Just the shape going down, and that's actually his arm. And now going down, and just stop there. Coming down the other side, bend in, curve in, and stop there. So leaving a space on either side. So just a line in the middle. So I've got 2 spaces left over there. You got that? And now down and back up. This is one leg. Down, back up. This is other leg. And there we have the full 7 shape of Happy the croc. First, Happy's wearing a pants, but he's also wearing some shoes, it seems. So 2 lines, get little 2 tippies of shoes, and a belt. You went ahead of me. I'm going there, and I'm going there. And there we have it, everybody.
Yeah.
That's Happy the croc. We forgot to color him in.
Yeah, no, but.
So we're gonna continue. We color him in first.
Yeah.
And there we have our fully colored Happy the Croc. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Nice.
Nice.